Those bitter cold temperatures, local shelters are operating under the white flag system, which means that no one will be turned away. This includes the Salvation Army, St. Vincent de Paul, and Jefferson Street Baptist. We will bring you more on the effort to keep people safe during the extreme cold temperatures. That's coming up in a live report at 12:30. And the strong winds that accompanied our cold blast caused power problems for about 1,000 LG&E customers. WLKY's Tim Elliott joins us live now from LG&E headquarters downtown with more. Tim, how you doing out there?
Well, this cold is very uncomfortable to say the least right now, especially for people who have to work out in these conditions. LG&E workers, they're tasked with keeping our homes warm, and they ran into some problems this morning. They say the wind gusts are actually causing some scattered outages all across the metro area. One outage of note happened around 6:45 this morning over on Hikes Lane. The wind caused a support wire to come in contact with an energized wire there. That knocked out the power to about 1,200 residents in that area. A crew was on the scene and worked through the bitter cold to restore the power. They were able to get it back on in about an hour. And while these conditions are extremely difficult to work in, LG&E says it's actually the wind that really poses the biggest threat.
We have had some people tell us, that they might have been experiencing an outage, but again, with these heavy winds that we're experiencing, this is something that we're going to see in the system, but we do have crews that are ready to go 24/7. We're staffed up across the board.
Now, LG&E also says that if you are having problem with your power, if you think you have an issue, feel free to give them a call, 589-1444. They'll come out and check it out, especially if you think you're having an issue with your gas line there. Also, we spoke with one of those LG&E workers earlier this morning on how he tries to stay warm during these conditions. You'll hear from him tonight on WLKY News. But for now, reporting live from downtown Louisville, Tim Elliott, WLKY News.